In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make sales funnel on Getresponse. Start by logging into your Getresponse account and looking at the top menu. From there, click Tools. This is where Getresponse keeps its main features, including automation, landing pages, and funnels. Once you are in the Tools area, select Conversion Funnel. This section is designed to help you build a guided, connected flow that takes someone from first contact all the way to a purchase. Next, click Create Funnel. Getresponse will now ask what type of funnel you want to build. Choose Sell a Product, since the goal here is to collect payments and complete a transaction, not just build a list. After that, select Full Sales Funnel. This option sets you up with the complete structure, so your funnel includes all the key pieces working together in one place. Now you will be asked to select your store and your payment processor. Choose the store you want to pull your products from, and then select the payment provider you want customers to use at checkout. This connection is important because it allows Getresponse to route buyers properly through the purchase step and track results inside the funnel. Once that is set, you will see a visual map of your funnel. This map is basically your funnel blueprint. It shows each part of the funnel laid out in order, so you can build it without missing anything. Go through the map and click Create for each step. As you create each element, take a moment to confirm that it matches your offer and is connected to the right store and payment settings. The main idea is to complete every step shown on the map, so the funnel works as one smooth flow. When you have finished creating each step in the visual map, you are ready to make it live. Click Publish. Publishing activates the funnel so it can start collecting leads, guiding them through the pages, and sending them to checkout based on the setup you just completed. And that covers everything you need to know.